Hello, in this video we will explain the rules for Passport, a rail game for 2 to 5 players ranging in ages from young children to experts. The basic premise of Passport is to travel around Europe on rails, visiting different cities within countries. A player earns 1 point for each new country that they visit, and this is the principal way to earn points throughout the game. The basic goal of the game is to earn a target number of points as determined by the number of players, and then reach one's home city while in possession of that number of target points. A player visits cities by looking at the tickets in their wallet. Players start with 4 tickets drawn from the 2 decks, 2 from deck A and 2 from deck B. One of these cities is chosen at the outset of the game by selecting one of the tickets as a home city. Suppose we select Zurich as our home city. We put Zurich in our passport and we earn 1 point. This represents the first city that we have visited in Europe. And we place our token on Zurich and our pawn on our home city. Our remaining tickets represent our wallet, and throughout the rest of the course of the game, a player may only have at most 3 tickets in their wallet. That number can increase over the course of the game to be explained later. On a player's turn, they can do one of 3 things. They can draw 3 tickets, 2 from deck A and 1 from deck B. They can draw 1 ticket off the ticket board. At the outset of the game, 2 cards from deck A and 2 cards from deck B will be laid out in public as a ticket board. And on your turn, one of your options is you could take 1 ticket off the ticket board. The third option is you can move. Each player rolls 1 die and adds it to their engine speed as demarcated on the board. Each player starts with an engine speed of 3, and what this means is you roll the die and you add that number to your engine speed. In this example, 4 plus my engine speed of 3 is 7. I then move 7 spaces. When a player rolls sufficiently to arrive at a city in their wallet, for example, Zagreb, you may stop and arrive in that city. You then place the ticket for that city into your passport, adding it to your collection of countries. You then increment your score because you have visited a new country. Upon arriving at a city, you are entitled to a reward to be explained in the next section. So to review, the 3 things you can do on your turn are you can replenish your wallet by taking 2 tickets from deck A and 1 from B. Option 2 is you may take 1 ticket off the ticket board. And option 3 is you may roll and move by adding the roll of 1 die to your engine speed.